They want to declare. I'm not a candidate. I'm not coming. You're wasting your time. Kill me if you want, kill me if you want. I won the election. I won the election. Do what you want to me. Kill me if you want. Kill me if you want. I've lost enough. I've lost enough. No, you are free to break my leg. You are free to break my leg. I'm not coming. I'm not coming, Afande. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm not coming, Afande. I'm not coming. You're free to break my legs. No. They want to announce the person I want. I'm not coming out. I know. And the difference is 10,000. I don't know from you. You guys, you've already told me. I already know. I already know what you want to do. I want the election. I doubled my opponents. And you want to declare him. I won't allow. Don't plead with me. I'm not going to come out. You can get me out of here with anywhere. I'm not getting out here peacefully. It's up to you. Hey, kill me if you want. I'm not coming. Don't do it. I won the election. I'm dead with the hooligan. Do what you want to me. Let him announce me. No. Yes, I'm bringing it international. I'm bringing it international. He has called me and said, declare him, yet I won the election. Stop. I've lost enough. You have to kill me. I'm not coming out. Yes, I put my legs here. You are free to break your legs. You are free to break my legs. I put them here. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I won the election. Sir, who do you think I am? I'm not a member, but I'm helping like a hooligan. Because I'm not mature enough to do what you want to do. No, my friend. No. Tell what was good. No. Tell what was to declare the person I want. Sir, I want him with a budget of 40,000. And you want to declare him? Sir, who do you think you are? I won't. Talbot, behave! I won the election! Don't plead, I'm not getting out of here, don't waste your time. You can beat me, you can kill me, it's okay. I'm not wasting time, Afande. You can use force, you can leave force. No, you are free to break my hand. You are free to break my hand. I've lost a lot. No, don't call me, Afande. Afande, don't call me boss. My name is Najja Nasifu. Don't call me boss. Don't call me boss. I'm Najja Nasifu. Tell the officer to declare me. You call back. You know the new results. You know the new results. All back. Do the right thing. All back. Don't be forced to do what's not right. I'm not reading here. No. I can't wait for an appeal. I can't wait for an appeal. I want the election. I want the election.
Are you using violence to win an election?
I'm not using violence. That's why I was seated there for the whole day. I got my declaration forms and I tell him I won here with 40,000. A difference. I'm not. Afandi. Leave me to do what I want. What I want. Let Tolbert do the right thing. No, the armed forces are forcing Tolbert to do what's not right. Tolbert, let these guys not force you to do what you don't want. You know that rule, Tolbert. I won the election. Well, if I have chairperson of Wakiso district. Afandi, do what you want to me. You are free to kill me, you are free to do anything. No. But I'm not getting out from playing Katemba here, sir. I am also not playing Katemba. Yes, then you stop this. You know how much I've invested in the election. That's why I have told you I'm not playing Katemba. I know what I want. No, you are free to break my leg. You are free to break my leg. I'm not coming. Afandi. I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm not coming, Afandi. I'm not coming. You are free to break my legs. No. They want to announce the person I want. I'm not coming. I know. And the difference is 10,000. I already know from you. You guys, you've already told me. I already know what you want to do. I want the election. I doubled my opponents. And you want to declare him. I won't allow. Don't plead with me. I'm not going to come out. You can get me out of here with anywhere. I'm not getting out here peacefully. It's up to you. Hey, kill me if you want. I'm not coming. Don't plead. I want the election.
I, Mr. Tolbert, being returning officer for Wakiso electoral district, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded in each declaration results form in accordance with section 147 of the Local Government Act, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate are as follows. Cheine Ian Sengonzi, 177,710. Najja Nasifu, 99,235. Nakafero Flavia, 10,597. Accordingly, as returning officer for Wakiso electoral district, and in accordance with section 147 of the Local Government Act, I declare Cheine Ian Sengonzi, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for Wakiso electoral district.
Soso kubeera omukulembeze wa wano naye kye nazuula era ne mbadde mbabuulira nti nina ensonga zange 5. Ensonga esooka mu Lungereza reconciliation, okubudaabuda abantu baffe, era olwaleero lwe lumu ku nnaku ezitulaga ti ddala ekigambo kye njogerako kikulu, okubudaabuda abantu baffe bali bubi, akantu katono kamufuula ekitagasa mu ddakiika budakiika. Naye nkimanyi bwe tunaatandika tugenda kusookera kubudaabuda abantu baffe, reconciliation. Ekyokubiri, tugenda kumaliriza projects zonna ze twali tutandise ezitanaggwa, okusookera ddala wano ku headquarter. Headquarter muganda wange agikuumye bulungi, naye waliwo ekizimbe ekitanaggwa, the main building. So tugenda kutandika okirowoozaako, ndowooza mu budget eno esooka kiyinza obutabeeramu, naye eddako kijja kubeeramu. Ekyokusatu, tugenda kukola ku advocacy. Twagala okukola advocacy okulaba nga district eno yeeyongeramu abagagga, beeyongera okuyingiramu, bawa abaana baffe emirimu, abantu baleme okukaayanira ekintu kyatalinaako bwannannyini. olabye enkaayana ezibeerawo akantu katono oli n'akaayana nnyo kubanga talina ssuubi kyalina kyanaakola ekirala. So bwe tunaaba tukoze advocacy tujja kusikiriza abagagga abazimba zi factory abazimba amasomero ebyo byonna bijja kuleeta emirimu mu district. Mujjukira twali tuzimba obutale nabyo tujja byongeramu amaanyi. Ensonga endala tugenda kwongera ku bintu ebifaanana nga amalwaliro okulaba nti ddala district ya Wakiso efuna eddwaliro eddene eryayo eri ku mutendera gwa hospital. Ekyokubiri okulaba nga district eno eddagala lyeyongerako obungi nga tukozesa lobbying okusaka. Okulaba ng'abaana baffe mu masomero gye basomera bayitira waggulu n'omutindo omulungi kiyambe abaana baffe okuyingira mu yunivasite oba n'amatendekero amalala amalungi. Ekirala tugenda kufuba okulaba ng'enguudo zaffe zikolebwa naddala ezo mwasanjala ali ku district level tulabe ng'afuna chorus ne bw'anaaba ono atandikirwako owa low cost. Ekirala tugenda kufuba okulaba ng'amazzi n'amasannyalaze byeyongera okubuna nga bwe twali tubitandiseeko. Naye ekintu ekikulu kye tulabye emirimu, twagala okuteekawo senta y'emirimu. Abavubuka bano beetaaga emirimu ate n'abazadde balumwa nnyo ng'abaana baabwe basomye nga tebafunye mirimu. So ekigendererwa kyaffe tugenda kuteekawo job center nga gwe alina omwana ng'amaze okusoma muleete mu job center. Bw'amala okwewandiisa wanaabangawo omulimu gwonna tujjanga baweereza message nga tuyita mu job center. Ate n'oyo akola emirimu egy'embavu naye asobola okujja neyewandiisa bw'aba ayagala abantu ab'okusima emifulejje ab'okuba okukola nga bapoota